I bet you're tired of brands overpromising and underdelivering. So, is Stella and Grace the real deal for 2026? Let's break it down. Stella and Grace Boutique is all about comfort and style, with flowy maxi dresses, minimalist vibes, and those classic florals. If you love soft, lightweight fabrics and forgiving cuts, this brand's got you covered. Literally. Their pieces easily shift from casual daytime errands to semi-formal dinners. Just add a blazer or swap your shoes. Pros: super soft knits, sweaters, and jeans that won't break the bank. The small batch collections mean you probably won't twin with half the guest list at brunch. The flip side? Some summer dresses can be a little too sheer, and their relaxed fits might drown petite frames unless you belt them. Plus, the best sizes sell out fast and express shipping costs extra. So, verdict time. Stella and Grace is a must if you want affordable, comfy staples. But if you're dreaming of high-fashion runway drama, you might want to skip this